So we have this question and we have to simplify this as a single fraction. Now one way you can begin is you have to see that 4x is the same thing as 4/1. Okay, alright, and you have to make the bottom fraction to be the same. And of course what you could do, you're going to multiply here, you multiply the bottom here and this by 3, yeah, and multiply here also by x plus 1, and of course here you multiply here by 3x plus 1. The reason why you do is that because you have to make all the bottom fraction number to be the same. Now of course what you do is whatever number you do multiply the fraction, you multiply the top number by the same number. So you're going to multiply here by 3, and of course I'm going to multiply here by x plus 1, okay, and also multiply here also by 3x plus 1. Okay, and see what it looks like as we simplify. So the top here is going to definitely be 6 over 3 bracket x plus 1 plus, of course, here is 7 minus 3x, okay, and here is x plus 1. We're going to expand this later on, and of course here definitely is 3x plus 1, and the top here, of course, there's going to be like 12 bracket x plus 1, and of course it's definitely going to be 3 bracket x plus 1. So now we can see, now we have each number, each fraction number have the same denominator, and now we're going to take just only one denominator here, okay, we definitely, of course, okay, you'll find that now that's 3 bracket x plus 1, and try to simplify the top fraction number. So here's already 6, and of course if you multiply this out, 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times 1 is 7, minus 3x times x is minus 3x squared, and minus 3x squared plus 1 is minus 3x, okay, and then of course you have plus again. Now if you expand this is going to give you 12x plus 12. Alright, so all we just needed to do is see how we can simplify this eventually to get our final results. So I'll have to simplify this, okay, because here again is 3 bracket x plus 1. Now if I simplify this, I would like to take the numbers with the highest power of x, and I see immediately that I have minus 3s squared here, and there's no other s squared, so here it becomes minus 3s squared, and I go for the number that has x. We have x and x and x here, so I just like simplify that. 7x minus 3x is 4x, and 4x plus 12x is 16x. And of course we go for numbers, pure numbers. So we have here 6 and 7, I think that's 13, and 13 plus 12, I think that's going to be 25, so that's going to be equals to 25. So again, if you ask me, this is a good result, yeah, because now you have it as a single fraction. Okay, thank you so much, and if you have any question, please you can put that in the comment section below. Okay.